and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're going to start with your quantitative aptitude class, and that is your 198 class of the session. And here we had started with, in quantitative aptitude we had started with the arithmetical ability. In that we have to discuss about problems on trains. That is the 18th topic we had even though started with. And in 18th topic we had started and we had discussed about the concept, how we have to solve related to the trains here, problems on train. That is the main topic that we are discussing in the 18th topic. Now we had done your 5 questions in the last classes. If you had not visited last 17 topics and as well as starting with this particular topic as well, you can go ahead with the playlist and you will find out the video there as well. So stay tuned with us and please like, share and subscribe so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. So here we go for the same, and the question, that is your 6th question we have here, that is being the two trains 137 meter and 163 meter in length are running towards each other on parallel lines, one of the rate one at the rate of 42 km per hour and the another at 48 km per hour here. So in what time will they be clear of each other from the moment they meet? This is the question, and then we have to go for the solution here. So stay tuned with us. So we go for the same 6th question. Two trains 137 meter and 163 meters in length are running towards each other on parallel lines. One at the rate of 42 km per hour and another at the rate 48 km per hour. In what time will they declare of each other from the moment they meet? So here we go solution with the same. Relative speed of the train per hour equals to 90 km per hour. 90 into 5 by 8 meter per second, 25 meter per second. Now here we go. Time taken by the trains. To pass each other. Equals to time taken to cover 137 plus 163 meter at 25 meter per second equals to 300 upon 25 second, and that is equals to 12 second. So that is the time taken to cover 137 plus 163 meter at 25 meter per second. It will be equals to this. Okay. So now we go for the next one, which is the 7th question of the session here. The question is, two trains 100 meter and 120 meter long are running in the same direction with the speeds of 72 km per hour and 54 km per hour. In how much time will the first train cross the second here? That is what we have to answer it out. Let's go for the same. So the question we have, and as I told you, this has been asked in the CBI examination paper. So of course that has been the important one, and you have to solve all the questions by your side, so that it is helpful to you, that you know very well that are you able to solve this type of a question or not. Let's go for the same. That is your 7th question here. Two trains 100 meter and 120 meters long are running in that and you same way that we'll discuss about it. So 120 meters long are running in the same direction running in the same direction with the speeds of 72 km per hour and 54 km per hour. In how much time will the first train cross the second? This has been asked in CBI examination paper. Let's solve it. So here we go. Relative speed of the train. Equals to 72 minus 54 kilometer per hour. 18 kilometer per hour. That is 18 into 5 by 18. So 18 we can see this is in transport in meters second to 5 meters per second. Time taken by the trains to cross each other equals to time taken to cover 100 plus 120 into at 5 meter per second, that is being equals to 220 upon 5 meter per that is second, and it is equal to 44 second. Now we go ahead with 8th question of the session, and that we have as follows. So we go for the same, and that is your 8th question of the session. The question is, a train 100 meter long takes 6 seconds to cross a man walking at 5 km per hour in a direction opposite to that of the train. Find the speed of the train. So a train 100 meters long takes 6 seconds to cross a man walking at 5 km per hour in a direction opposite to that of the train. Find the speed of the train. So let's find it out. So let's go for the solution. Let the speed of the train be x km per hour. Speed of the train relative to man x plus 5 km per hour equals to x plus 5 into 5 by 18 meter per second. That is 100 upon x plus 5 into 5 by 18 equals to 630 x plus 5 1800. So x equals to 55. Speed of the train is 55 km. Speed of the train is 55 km per hour. Now we go for another question, that is the 9th question of the session, and that we have as follows. The question we have is your A train running at 54 km per hour takes 20 seconds to pass a platform. Next, it takes 12 seconds to pass a man walking at 6 km per hour in the same direction in which the train is going. Find the length of the train and the length of the platform. So here we go for the same. So we go for the ninth question. The question is, a train running at 54 km per hour takes 20 seconds to pass a platform. Next, it takes 12 seconds to pass a man walking at 6 km per hour. In the same direction in which the train is going. Find the length of the train. And the length of the platform. So let's find it out. Let the length of the train be x meter. Let the length of the train be x meter and length of platform be y meter. Speed of the train relative to man. 54 minus 6 kilometer per hour will get 48 kilometer per hour. Okay, now that is 48. We convert 5 by 18 kilometer per hour to meter per second, which is 40 by 3 meter per second. Now we go for it. In passing a man, the train covers its own length with the relative speed. Length of train equals to relative speed into time. Forty into 3 into 12. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. 160 meter. Also, speed of the train. Fifty-four into 5/80 meter per second. 15 meter per second. So x plus y upon 15 equals to 20. X plus y equals to 300. Y equals to 300 minus 160 meter. 140 meter. Now we go for another one, that is another question, and that is the 10th question of the session. The question we have here is: a man sitting in a train which is traveling at 50 km per hour observe that a goods train traveling in a opposite direction takes 9 seconds to pass him. If the goods train is 280 meter long, find its speed. So let's go for the same here. So for the same here, as I told you that sorry, I had paused my video and I had solved this question. Sorry for that mistake, but I will just tell you one more thing, that a man sitting in a train, first of all, the question is a man sitting in a train which is traveling at 50 km per hour observes that the goods train traveling in opposite direction take 9 seconds to pass him. If the goods train is 280 meter long, find its speed. That is the question here. So when we are going to solve, the relative speed equals to 280 upon 9. We'll cancel it out. We will multiply because we have to convert meter per second into kilometer per hour. So 18 by 5. We'll cancel it out. The further speed of the goods train is, when we cancel it out, we'll get 112 km per hour. And the speed of the goods is 112 minus 50, because they had told you in a question here. So after that, we'll get your answer is 62 km per hour. So you can go ahead for the same. And now we'll end up here only. Other than quantitative aptitude, we had started dealing with many more topics. That is, we are dealing with the chemistry and for physics as well. And in terms of quantitative aptitude, we had started with arithmetical ability, where we had done operations and numbers, and then many more sorts and indices as well, which is related to it. That we have as follows. We had done numbers, SCF analysis of numbers, decimal fraction, simplification, square roots and cube roots, averages, problems on numbers, problems on ages, surds and indices, percentage, profit and loss, ratio and proportion, then your partnership, chain rule, time and work, pipe and system, time and distance, problems on train. We are on 18 topic. Then after that, we'll discuss the boards and strains, allocations and mixture, simple interest, compound interest, logarithm, area, volume and surface area, races and games of skills, calendar, clock, stocks and shoes, and permutations and combination as well, probability to discount, bankers discount, height and distance, odd and odd series. In data interpretation, we have to cover up the tabulation, bar graph, pie charts, and line graph. So here we're gonna end up with. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion and comment. Thank you.